Good morning, my dear students. We are doing chapter number 10, perimeter and area. It's part 1. We are going to understand perimeter. It is the distance around a closed figure. As you can see the diagram, the red line shows the perimeter. Now, what is area? It is a part of a plane or a region occupied by a closed figure. Now, in the diagram, you can see the green grass which is there stands for the area and blue stands for the perimeter. Now, the formulas. Perimeter of square is equals to 4 into side. Area of square is equals to side into side. Perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 length plus breadth. Area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth. Perimeter of regular polygon is equals to number of sides into length of one side. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3 into side. Length of rectangle will be equal to area upon breadth and breadth will be equal to area upon length. Exercise 10a, question number 1. The length of a rectangular park is 350 meter and its breadth is 200 meter. Find its area and the cost of leveling. If cost of leveling is rupees 15 for 1 meter square, and perimeter and cost of fencing if 3 times with a wire at the rate of rupees 5 per meter. Now keep this thing in mind that for area, the formula is length into breadth. The length and the breadth are already given to us in the question as 350 meter and 200 meter. So length into breadth is going to be 350 into 200, that is 70,000 meters square, that is area of rectangular park. Now to find the cost of leveling covers the whole area. That's why we are taking area multiplied by rate. So area we have already got as 70,000 multiplied by rate, that is given to us in the question as rupees 15 for per meter square. If we multiply them, we get 10,50,000. B part, perimeter of rectangle, we already know that it is 2 length plus breadth, putting the value 2, 350 plus 200. 350 plus 200 is 550 multiplied by 2, that is 1100 meter. Now to find the cost of fencing, but it has to be 3 times, so we are multiplying by 3, then multiply by the perimeter and multiplying by rate. So 3 into 1100 into 5 is equals to 16,500 meter. Find the area of square park whose perimeter is 480. From perimeter, first we will find the side. So perimeter of square is 480 equals to 4 into side. Now we take the 4 to the other side, it should be divided. 480 divided by 4 is equals to side, that is 120 meter. Now to find the area of park, we will use the formula side into side, that is 120 into 120, that is 14,400 meters square. Question 3. Find the breadth of a rectangular plot of length 45 meter having perimeter 140 meter. Also finds its area. Now length is given to us in the question as 45 meter. Perimeter is given as 140 meter. Now to find the perimeter of rectangular plot, formula is 2 length plus breadth. Putting the value for the perimeter, it is 140. Then 2. Length is 45 and breadth we don't know, that's why we have taken the variable as b. Now 2 is on the other side and was multiplied, so when it comes to the LHS, that is the left hand side, it is going to be divided. So 140 divided by 2 is 70, that is equals to 45 plus b. Now 45 is added to the right hand side, so when it take to the left hand side, it should be minus. 70 minus 45 is equals to 25, that is breadth. Now area is equals to length plus breadth, that is equals to 45 multiplied by 25, that is 1125 meters square. Area of rectangular plot is 880 meters and its length meter square, and its length is 44 meter. Find its perimeter. Also find the cost of fencing if it is at the rate of rupees 5 per meter. So area of rectangular plot is 880 meters square. Length is given to us as 44, so we can easily find breadth by using the formula of area, that is length into breadth. Area we are putting 880 is equals to 44 into b. Now since it is multiplied here, so when it goes to the other side, it should be divided. So 880 divided by 44 is equals to 20 meter. Now we can find the perimeter. Perimeter is 2 length plus breadth. So 2 length is 44 plus breadth is 20. So 2 into 64, that is 128 meter. Now for finding the cost of fencing, because it is fencing, we have to use the perimeter into rate, that is 128 meter into 5, that will be 640 rupees.